My name is Heidi. I'm an aftermarket territory manager with SCIEX. I've been with the company for 9 years, and I currently cover several New England states, all the way down to the Mid-Atlantic region, and I live in the state of Maine. SCIEX works very closely with our customers, and by choosing SCIEX, our customers will gain a true partner who's dedicated to helping them achieve their success. And this is accomplished via an extensive aftermarket team comprised of many different members, such as service sales, field service, applications and technical support organizations, and many more. And all these teams really are driven and focused on helping our customers to maintain operational excellence. As a single source provider, SCIEX is well equipped to offer our customers world-class support throughout all phases of the customer's instrument lifecycle on the entire system, which includes LCs and gas generators that may be associated with their SCIEX mass specs. From initial installation all the way through to retirement phases, we can offer full support for customers. And single source provider really means that customers will keep their systems running overall. And it's important to note that our SCIEX engineers are OEM certified to work on SCIEX compatible LCs and gas generators. As we offer full service contracts on the entire system, there's really no need for our customers to work with additional vendors on their MS, LC, and gas generators. We make it easy for customers because they can provide one purchase order for the entire system renewal. We have extensive hardware and software plan offerings that are designed to help our customers maximize productivity within their labs. We also offer a number of fixed price services, and these could be MS and LC PMs, installation support, de-installation support, moves and cleanings, really just to name a few. We can also help customers with any software and workflow needs they might have. And we have many excellent introductory all the way to advanced training offerings via our SCIEX Now portal. And these can be on location at a customer's site or even in a virtual classroom environment. And then we have OEM certified parts available. We can help with Win 10 migrations, validation services, IQ/OQs, etc. The list goes on. From beginning to end and everything in between, we can really help provide professional support along the way as a single source provider. By utilizing SCIEX as a single source, we have the knowledge, the tools, and the expertise to help our customers be the most productive and keep their fleets running optimally. By partnering with SCIEX, we want to ensure our customers the best possible experience.